Growing up, every single Friday night was a pizza party in our house, and now the Blackstone Pizza Oven makes having a pizza party at home so much fun. This upside down pizza was one of our favorites, and since then we've moved away and I believe the pizza shop closed, but I've perfected the flavor, the crust. This is so delicious. I can't wait to show you, so let's have our own little pizza party. An upside down pizza is one of me and my family's favorite styles of pizza. The cheese is baked into the crust and the sauce is really the star of this pizza. We'll get our Blackstone Pizza Oven preheating so it comes up to temperature. I've got just a few ingredients needed. Now for the pizza crust, I've fallen in love with this brand of pizza crust that I find at my local grocery store, Papa Sal's. If you can find this, test it out, try it. A little secret is they keep it in where the frozen pastas are. If you're looking to make a homemade pizza dough, go right ahead and have fun with that. We do have some pizza dough recipes up on blackstoneproducts.com for you to make. Now, one of my tips for a good, successful pizza party is to par bake your pizza crust. Cooking this to about 80% done, you can then cool it and even freeze it. You can find the correct size storage bags right online. Freeze these for up to 2 months and then pull them out to make a quick pizza pie. This also makes it really easy and takes away some of the stress if you have it with launching your pizza pies. You can do this straight on your pizza stone or use a pizza pan to get it started, which is what we're gonna do. So down with a little bit of our semolina flour to help this dough not stick. We'll stretch out our pizza dough, creating a beautiful crust, and using our fingertips with a little bit of pressure, make some indentations along the bottom side. This will help prevent any air bubbles. Our pizza oven is rolling hot. I'm gonna turn it down just some and get this pizza crust cooked to about 80%. After a minute or two, we'll pull this out, and now I'm gonna take it off of our pizza pan and get this on to our pizza peel. A little extra semolina to ensure that it doesn't stick. A nice generous drizzle of our extra virgin olive oil over the bottom. This will help crisp up that crust even more. And then we're gonna season it up with some dried oregano, some dried garlic salt, and a bunch of fresh garlic cloves that I used my zester to just grate very finely. Now my favorite part is layering this first with a bunch of deli sliced provolone cheese and some fresh mozzarella. This is going to melt into that crust and give us that nice cheese pull once we bite into this. Then over the top with all of that beautiful Mazzetta pizza sauce. Another good reason to par bake your pizza crust is that you can go heavy on your sauce and toppings without worrying about your dough cooking through completely. I'm gonna add just a little bit more oregano. Back into the pizza oven this goes, and you'll let this go for as long as you like, depending on how well done you like your pizza. I like my crust to be nice and golden brown and all of that cheese to be melty. This took about a minute and a half. It is steaming hot. You can hear all of that cheese bubbling against the crust underneath all of that sauce. Already smells exactly like the pizza we had growing up. The only thing left to do, which you can do this before it goes into the pizza oven or after, is to add a heavy sprinkle of Parmesan cheese over the whole top of this. We're using our Blackstone pizza cutter to cut into this, and that's it. It's a pizza party for one. I'm diving in. I can't even tell you how happy I am with this pizza, the way that it turned out. This, I can safely say, is better than what we had growing up. The crust is so crunchy and airy. The sauce is definitely the star of this pizza with all of that melted provolone and mozzarella underneath. You have to try this pizza. I just know it's going to be one of your favorites. Be sure to post a picture when you do make this and let me know down below, have you had an upside down pizza yet, or are you ready to try your first? Thanks for hanging out with me on Pizza Party. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys next time.